So, good day, everyone. Today, I will explain my project that I created today. So, first, the app.jsx. So, I imported the use state from React because I will use it to store the list of the student. I also imported my three components, which is the student form, student list, student counter, and the app that says us. So this line, it creates a state variable called students. It starts as an empty array because there are no registered students yet. So the set students function is used whenever I want to add or remove a student. So next function is the add student. This functions adds a new student to the array. Then next is the delete student function. So this function deletes a student. So and it use a filter method uh, to keep only the students whose ID is different from the selected student. Then here I display my three components. I pass the data and functions using props. The student form, it receives the add student function, and the student counter and the student list receives both the student array and the delete function. So next is the student form that just x. This line, uh, these two state variables store the values entered in the student name and the course input fields. Next is the function handle submit. When the user click the add student button, this function runs the prevent default method to prevent the page from refreshing. Then this here I create a student object. I use date that now to generate a unique ID. Then I store the student's name and the course. And uh, here this sends the student object to the app component using the add student prop. Then after adding the student, the input fields are cleared. Then here is the input fields of student name and the course. Next is the student list that just X. So this line it creates the table header that displays the column of names first and the delete button. Then this one, uh, if there is no students in the array, this message will display which is no student registered. So next is uh, here I use map function to look through every student in the array and display them one by one. Then here this line display the student's number, name, and the course. And this is the delete button. Then next is the student counter that just X. So this component simply display the total registered students. Then the value comes from the app component through props. So whenever a student is added or deleted, the numbers the number updates automatically. And this is my app.css. Then here is the output. So if I add a new student, okay. So the total registered students now is 3. Then if I delete a student, it will become 2. I delete 1 and until it's 0. So I add again. Here.